You know, it's really remarkable how adversity can actually make us stronger. And as we've just seen, even life's most difficult setbacks can be overcome with the power of the human spirit. And that's what Second Chance is all about. It's about fulfilling the potential we all have inside of us. Until next time, I'm Bill Phillips.
A second chance. There's a reason someone still believes in you. There's no limit to the difference you can make.